having come to school here in the West, went to Art Institute of Chicago, looking at the collection, the Asian collection, which is kind of more like antiquity than contemporary, and realizing that all the things they had all in these glass cabinets were like things that I would normally be using at home.
Right, cooking
Right?
utensils.
Yeah, pots and bowls and Buddhas, and though of course they were like kind of, in a sense, isolating it from the reality. Just look at the craft or the aesthetic beauty of the object, and I was like, I have to like smash this glass case open and take it out and use it.
Right.
In order to like try to, for myself, retrieve it, to kind of find the identity, but also to then make life more important than like the object, which is actually probably what maybe is more interesting in terms of understanding why these things are there.
Yes.
You see? So in a way, the idea of food and cooking came out of that desire to like retrieve, life.